Hello, everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about Google Recapture to protect your website, BestWebSoft Plugin for WordPress Security. So I am going to show you how to easily install a Google Recapture on your pages and blog posts and forms. So in this particular case, we are on the login of this one website of mine, and you can see I have Google Recapture. On my homepage, again, I have Google Recapture. On the Contact Us page, again, I have Google Recapture. So let's just do a little bit of reading. Protect your website from spam and data fraud. BestWebSoft Recapture is an easy to install and set up plugin for your website. This is free, by the way. Why do spammers register on your site? One major reason is that they are looking for weaknesses on your site so that they can exploit them. With BestWebSoft plugin, you can easily add Google Recapture to forms such as login and registration, lost password, and contact us, and others. More good news is that with this plugin, you can also add Recapture to any blog post or page on your site. This Recapture plugin is compatible with WooCommerce, JetPack, MailChimp, Contact Form 7, Ninja Forms, bbPress, and other services. Great. So how to go about this? Well, you log into the admin area of your website, scroll down to plugins, and on the drop-down, you click on Add New. This page opens up and you enter Recapture. Okay, Recapture, enter, and this page updates and it displays a number of plugins that offer capture and recapture. We are interested in Recapture by BestWebSoft. So on the button here, which is going to read Install Now, in my particular case, I have already installed it. So you click on Install Now, and then the button changes onto Activate. So you click again the Activate button, and then you go to Recapture. On the drop-down of Recapture, you click on Settings, and this page opens up. So we are Recapture Settings, Recapture Settings. You select version 3. And you have to enter the site key and secret key. Now, how to do that? You click on Get the API Keys, okay, which I already have clicked, and you come to a page like this. You click on the plus sign on the Create, and what you do is you label, so example.com, then you select Recapture v3 and you enter your domain here. So do not enter the full URL. Do not type https://www. and then the name of your website. Now all you do is the name, the domain name. So example.com, WordPress training Johannesburg.com, whatever the case is. Then owners, of course, if you are registered on Gmail, your Gmail email address is going to appear here. You can also enter additional email addresses if you have other people working with you on your site. And then you select accept the Recapture terms of service. If you'd like to read more on the terms of service, and you'll be able to do so here. And by default, this is already checked, send alerts to owners. And then all you have to do is click on the submit button. Once you click, a new page is going to open, a new Google Recapture page is going to open, giving you the site key, which you are going to paste here, and giving you the secret key, which you are going to paste here. I have already done that. There is a button that reads something like, and please submit the test verification. So you click there, and as you see in my particular case, the verification is successfully completed. Right? Then you continue. Something important guy. Okay, you continue. Enable reCAPTCHA for, I strongly recommend that you check these 3 boxes: login form, registration form, reset password form. Do not check this box for comments form. It can actually do all sorts of complications on your website. It can interfere with other plugins and JetPack as an example, and so on and so forth. And so it is better if you check only the first 3. And then you click Save Changes. Let's just go down here and see if there's anything else you have to do. reCAPTCHA domain, you leave as is, google.com. Appearance, hide reCAPTCHA badge. No, I want the entire world to see my reCAPTCHA badge. So you don't check this, you leave this blank. And score, you leave, and by default is 0.5, you leave as by default. And here you don't have to do anything more. So you can click on Save Changes. You click there or you click there, right? And that's it. Now, I just would like to show you one more thing. If you'd like to add, if you'd like to protect a particular blog post or page with Google Recapture, and what you do, still on this page, you see this? So you have to copy the shortcode. So you copy this shortcode, and then you go to your website. And let me just move the zoom away from here. And what you do is new. Let me move the zoom bar again. And new, and you click page. A new page opens up. So on the new page, add title. As an example, I am going to put, let me try again. All right, and here I am going to say, right, okay. Now, that code we copied, I can just go to a new block, right click, left click paste, and there it is. All right, or you click on a plus sign for adding a new block, and there is the shortcode block we need. If perhaps this icon for shortcode is not displaying amongst your 6 icons over here, so in the search field, you just type shortcode, okay, and there it is, and you click on it, and it opens again. So I am going to delete this one, remove the, okay, and we already have, however, this, even if you open a paragraph block, okay, there, and you paste, it works, all right? So let me again remove this block once, and one is enough, and all I do is click on publish and click again. So it shows testing is now live. I click. So the front end of our new testing page opens, okay? And you can see it is protected by reCAPTCHA. So guys, the last thought I'd like to leave with you is having Google Recapture installed on your website will go a long way to protect your site from hackers. Ladies and gentlemen, if this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. Cheers.